This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Vick Dyer. Georgetown floor plan with French country elevation. Garden area. Beautiful luxury kitchen with double ovens, soft close cabinetry, kitchen island west/recessed bar area, hardwoods throughout. Granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, tile shower. Main level master bedroom with tray ceiling. Recessed lighting, and much more, which is included in the added $30,000 worth of upgrades from the builder's base price. After purchasing home, sellers finished upstairs bedroom, epoxy garage floor, added screened-in porch, outdoor patio and additional landscaping. For more information, review the details below.